I made a horrible mistake in my last video. I should have turned this character into a prefab variant. Instead, I applied this to the original Ybot Yellow. So now all the characters are cyber soldiers. If I delete all the characters. So here is the Ybot Yellow, the original, and the Ybot Blue, business, male. Because I changed the original, now all the characters are the same. To fix this, I'm gonna go to the original Ybot Yellow, go into the prefab window. Let's turn on the Ybot again and turn off the cyber soldier. And I'm going to set up the character control back to the way it was. So drag in the skin mesh animator, set up ragdoll parts, and drag in the attack parts. Here's the left hand, right hand, left foot, right foot, okay, let me also take a look at the animator. Okay, make sure everything's set up correctly, and I'm going to hit apply. So the original is back to what it used to be. Let me just click play and see if it works the same way. We'll deal with the camera later. Okay. Now let me try bringing in the Ybot Blue. Okay. Luckily this is back. The only difference between the yellow and the blue is the material and the AI. I was afraid I was going to have to set up everything, but okay, looks like the blue bot is fine now. Let me try clicking play. Okay. And the business mail. Okay, looks like this is back to normal as well. Oops. Turn off yellow bot and turn on the blue one. Okay. Now for the cyber soldier, I'm going to bring in the original yellow again. Rename it cyber soldier. And I'm going to bring that into, I'm going to drag it into the cyber soldier folder. So it's now a prefab variant. Go into the prefab window, turn off the Ybot, and turn on the other character. Now I just got to set up the character control again. So drag in the skin mesh animator, set up ragdoll parts, and drag in the attack parts, left hand, right hand, left foot, and right foot. Okay. And the animator looks fine. And click play. Okay. looks good. Now let me just turn on the other business male character, and the AI. And the camera. We need to drag in the camera target. Okay, drag in the spine or whatever body part that you like. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.